here too technical. So today I wanted to show you that CapCut finally has a CapCut version for Android tablets. So you can go to the Google Play Store on your Android tablet and you want to type in CapCut Pad, and you want to make sure you go download it. So this is the version. There is an app version, just a regular app version, but then you get the CapCut Pad, and that is a free version right now. But pretty much this is so you're able to have the desktop version for your tablet. So I currently have it downloaded on my Tab S10 Ultra right now, and this is what I'm going to be using to edit my videos. I use CapCut, but I've been using the app version. But now that I found out that they have a tablet desktop version, I was like, okay, this is so much better. That way I don't have to stay using CapCut on my Mac Mini. I could just come on here and use it. So pretty much it is set up like it would be on your computer. So down here you do get your AI video, you get AI images, you get video translation, you get your AI dialogues and scenes, and then you get AI fusion modes. And then over here you get home, you get your templates. If that is something that you want to get into, you can come in here and get your templates. But let's go back to home. And then if you want to create a video, you would hit create. And as you can see, this is opening up like it would if you had this on a desktop, whether you had it on a Mac or if you were using it on a Windows computer. So you would get everything that you would need. And I feel like this is nicer to have the desktop version. I feel like I wish all apps had a version for tablets specifically. That would be nice instead of just using the app versions. And like I said, I use CapCut already, but this is just better to where I can start using my tablet to edit my videos, because it has a big enough screen to do so. So like I said, you would come here. This is how you would download different audio, and then this app lets you use the pro modes for free, and that is amazing. You don't have to pay right now. But if you download this same version on your PC, you have to pay for the pro version. So I don't know if that's just something that they have going on, but if you have a tablet and you want to go on and get this, I recommend you get it now before, you know, they get rid of the pro variant, which they might not, but if they do, you can at least have access to it early. But it gives you all the things that it would give you if you were using this on a desktop. And I can download these and use these songs and little GIFs on my tablet for my videos. Then you get your text, you get the pre-installed text that come with the app, and you come here, you get all the stickers. So I should be able to use all of the stickers. As you see, if I wanted to get that subscribe notification, I am able to use all of those without paying for these. Some of these would be, if you had it on your computer, would be like promo for you to pay for, but I can actually use all of these for free right now and have at it. And like I said, I don't know if that's something that they're just doing or is this a long-term thing. And then you can use some of these videos if you wanted to. Then you get all these different transitions. So I could come here and save transitions to the app and use all of these transitions. Like I said, if you use this on your computer, some of this stuff will be free, but then most of it will be like you need to pay so and so dollars to get the to use some of these in promo, but right now I have full access to it. This video, I will edit this video using CapCut that I'm showing you right now. I'll be editing it, uploading it to YouTube, and it'll be with the CapCut desktop version for your tablet. But like I said, you get access to all of these features, so on and so on. There's all of these little things here you can use for free, and that is amazing. And it's just right here giving you a guide, showing you how to add clips to timeline, navigate the timeline, move and edit clips, select multiple clips. It's showing you how to export videos. But now this comes in clutch if you have a S Pen, and a lot of the Samsung tablets come with the S Pen, unless you get the I think the Tab S11 Ultra. I don't think it comes with the S Pen, but this is the Tab S10 Ultra, so this had the S Pen included. But if you really, really wanted to set up like a little mini laptop, go get you a keyboard. Get your keyboard, or you could just add in a Bluetooth mouse and set this up, and you can use it like it is a mini computer, and that is good. But I like that I have access to using this on my tablet now, instead of just using the app variant. The app variant is okay, but this looks like it's giving me more features to use. And I don't know, it just fits better and looks better since this is a big tablet. It just looks a whole lot better. And now that will keep me from coming to my desktop being stationary. I can go anywhere in the house and I can be editing a video just like that. And that's why I love, love, love having tablets, because it gives you the freedom to go and edit anywhere, anytime. As long as you have good Wi-Fi, so on and so on, you are good to go. But this has been CapCut Pad running on the Tab S10 Ultra. Hope you found this video helpful. I will drop a link to where you can go download this for yourself if it's something that you want to try out. I don't know if it's on iPads. I just know right now it's for Androids, and it's called CapCut Pad. But like I said, I hope you found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next one. I'm out.